Hello, welcome to my presentation with the multi-scale computational visualizations of plasmonic structural colorations. So the plasmonic structural coloration that we know are very sensitive to the change of any sort of configuration in the nanostructure itself. For example, the shapes, the size, the periodicity, and also the material. So this is going to drastically change the color appearance of the nanostructure. But in the same time, they're also subject to the microscopic effects like the shape and the roughness of the substrate, as well as the lighting environments, and also the angle that we see look on the nanostructure itself. So here's a challenge for us. How are we going to capture and preview the plasmonic structure coloration in light scale? Obviously, because we know the size limit in the lab fabricated sample, then how are we going to scale up? So our approach over here is to use the multi-scale visualization approach. They use the FTTD and the physical-based rendering, PBR, to visualize the appearance of the metallic nanostructure. But for this case, we use the Silver Tennant's nanodisk array as a case study. So in general, so there's a three-step for our approach over here. So first, we try to capture the far-field bidirectional scattering distribution function of the nanostructure itself from FTTD simulations. So once we have that, so we're going to create the material models. In this case, so we use MDL from the far-field BSDF. So once we have the material model, so we can assign the material models to the 3D object, and then so we can use the 3D renderer, for example, like this case, so we use the iRay, the NVIDIA iRay, to render the appearance. So these are the results that showcase the reflection colors. So with the change of the periodicity and the diameters. So obviously what we can see over here is the color is have the drastically change based on the diameters and also the periodicity of the nanodisk array. So and also the color is very very bright and also saturated because of the configuration itself, because of the metal insulator and the metal. So they have the strong resonant interaction over here. So the similarly, so for the transmission colors, so we can see the color change from the change of the periodicity and the diameters. So we can see that the colors also have very bright and also the saturated colors over here. For the next one, so we're going to showcase a short video clips that render in the studio and see how the color change on here. So with this, so we would love to thanks everyone. So if you have any question, feel free to drop us a comments or send us an email or message. So we're going to try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone.